Microsoft Windows operating systems maintain a list of folders where the user stores specific types of data. By default, these user shell folders contain paths that point to the user profile on the local hard drive. Being part of the user profile, the data in these folders is copied back and forth between the server and the local desktop every time a user session starts or ends. In time, when the amount of user data grows, this leads to increasing log on and log off times. This can be quite inconvenient for the user. Furthermore, there's risk of disruption during the data transfer, which might lead to the user's profile becoming corrupt. The folder redirection feature within RES Workspace Manager 2012 provides a solution for these types of problems. It provides the possibility to redirect user shell folders to different locations, making them independent of the user profile. In general, these folders are redirected to network shares. As you can see here, it's taking a significant amount of time to log this particular user on. If we have a look at the Documents folder, you can see this user is pretty typical, with almost 800 megabytes of data in the folder. This user would benefit from folder redirection using RES Workspace Manager. Let's head back to the console and see how it's configured. Let's go to Data, Files and Folders, and select Folder Redirection. Under Settings, click Enabled. Now, let's create a new redirection. Enter an optional administrative note, and select from the drop-down box the folder we'd like to redirect. Now browse for a target folder. Remember that you're logged on as an administrator, so this target folder must also be available to users with standard rights. I'm going to select the user's home directory, and then enter a Documents subfolder. Optionally, you can select a required connection state, and click OK when you're happy with the change. Always remember to save the settings. Let's head back to the workstation and log the user on. That's much quicker. You can see now the user's logging on in just a few seconds. When we go to My Documents, you can see that all the content's still available. But if we traverse across to the user's profile, you'll notice that the old Documents folder is now empty. This could now be deleted. The new folder redirection functionality in RES Workspace Manager works hand in hand with some of the existing features. For example, let's have a look at user home directory maintenance. In the console, go to Data, Files and Folders, User Home Directory, and under Settings, click Enabled. Under the Files tab, let's create a new folder and call this Documents to reflect the Documents folder the user now has in their home directory. And as a test, let's pre-populate the Documents folder with a text file. When we've completed this, let's save the changes and head back to our workstation. Let's go to the My Documents folder and confirm that sure enough our text file has been put in place. This functionality is really useful if I want to pre-populate the user's home directory with files like templates.